Mine has solid red lines. The only concern would be the red leaching into the black fabric surrounding the red line. A quick motion with fine Sharpie should eliminate that. Payment for seats. Seriously? This is what people are doing? This is what is the solution for that? Alright, so stay tuned to see what I'm going to be doing with this fabric marker. Seriously. Welcome back to A.S.A.P Garage with your boy Dro. This is episode 6. Thank you for you guys that are continuing to watch these episodes. I'm very grateful and honored that you continue to follow me on this journey with this car. But now we're going to continue with one more episode. Hopefully this is the last episode on interior updates. I want to move on to something else of the car. And for that, we have to complete the interior upgrades here in this video. With that being said, while putting back the interior, I found out while testing the controls on the dashboard that the HVAC climate control buttons, the knobs did not light up. It looks like the light burned out. So I ordered a new one, installed it, and it's the wrong bulb. So now I have to order the correct ones because the ones that they have now works. It's just that it's not long enough to illuminate the knobs clearly. So I ordered the new ones. I'm going to take this home with me, do it at home, install it, do a little bit of Instagram short on it in the stories or something, and just put it on there because it doesn't need a video for that. But a lot of the interior was put back together. Now we're just going to move on to the last part of the interior upgrades. Like I said in the previous video, this one is going to be a little more performance oriented. So we're going to move into that. Let me put this away so I don't remember to or forget to take it with me. So I'm going to put this back in the box here. And we're going to start with a couple of openings of these parts that came in for the interior upgrade. The first one that I'm going to open up is this one right here, which all of them are already open. I'm just playing with you. I'm not going to bother you with the cutting open some tape. We're just going to take it out here, and I'll show you what it is. On this one is let me grab my X-Acto knife here. Let's cut open this bag. This one I purchased it off eBay, and it came all the way from Canada because this vehicle only is in Canada. So let's see here where this tape ends up. Right here. Okay. I need to get myself an actual knife. I don't know what happened to my knife, but okay, here we go. So everything is good on there. It looks fresh. And this is what I got here. This is called the Acura CSX center console. The one that the Civic has now doesn't have this door here. And I feel like that gives it such a nice upgrade from all the other Civics that are here in the USA. The one that this comes from is called the Acura CSX. It's the Acura version of this that they sell in Canada. It comes with like this luxury little door. I'll show you in the videos what the Civic has now or when I take it off. Basically, it's just this without the opening of this door. I like this hidden door where I could hide things and just close it back. So I'm looking forward to putting this into the center console. That's one of the upgrades we're going to have. One of the last ones that we're going to have for the car to make it different than what all the other Civics here in the USA have. So let's put that aside there. It doesn't need any screws or anything. That's just a basically fit all type of plastic. Put that aside there. The next thing that I'm going to open up, and this is going to give a hint of what the performance part is going to be, is this nice Honda shift knob. This I ordered it from jhpusa.com. It's an awesome website that sells a lot of JDM parts for your cars. Please Visit that website. Their products are cool and their pricing is very comparable. Let's open this up. What I ordered here comes in this nice Honda because it's OEM. The part number is S4102 SMT E01. And what that is the Type R, Civic Type R from Japan shift knob. The original shift knob from Japan. This is awesome compared to the one that the SI has. I'm going to show it here in this video. This one is actually weighted, so it gives you a better shifting, and it also nice to hold on your hand. The only cons on this is that in the winter it gets really cold. In the summer it gets really hot, so you might have to put like a sock over it before you get into the car in both weathers. And I live in an area that has both climates. So yeah, this is going to be an upgrade that we're going to have in the car. This is awesome. I love ball shift knobs versus the one that the SI has. It's a much better feel for me and I'm comfortable with it. Let's put that aside. Now for the next thing is that we're going to open up, and I'm going to leave it for last, the performance goodie, is this OEM part. So this OEM part is the original SI floor mats. This is discontinued in a lot of places. To get this, it took me a long time, a lot of hunting, and I bought it from a dealership that had it last, which is Brandon Honda, their parts department. It wasn't cheap at all, and I'll show you how clean these mats are. Let me just show you the driver one. Take it out here. This is came out with the rear one too. So the driver one has this awesome SI logo, and it's all clean and fresh. So we're gonna install that in the car because I'm all about details, and I told you everything in the car basically is black and red. Get you a nice closer look at the SI logo, how fresh it looks compared to all the ones that you see in other Civics. So with that being said, we're going to move over to the performance part. This is going to be a kicker here. Hold on to your boots. All right. So this is the hybrid racing quick shifter or short shifter. I went to hybridracing.com and ordered it from there. It's an awesome product, and it's going to help us with the SI when it comes to shifting quicker. Also, it's going to give us a better feel because the one that's currently on there right now, it's already worn out. The factory OEM one. This one is an upgrade from that. Look how beautiful this piece looks. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is gonna, I like this plaque here that says hybrid racing on it. This is gonna help us with the second and third gear grind that this car suffers from. Not only that, but allows us to have quick shifting without having to focus on changing gears while being in the back roads or in the track, because you want to be focused on what's ahead and not the movements that you need to do. That should be second hand, and this is going to help with that. This is a huge performance upgrade when it comes to installing it on any vehicle. This is one of those products that you need to get a better feel of your car and to make sure that you go into the right gear. Don't grind gears. Don't have problems with having to overthink about going into a different gear or downshifting into a gear. This will help you out tremendously. So this is why I'm going to install this. That's it for today. That should be the upgrade. The last thing is, like I said in the intro video, we're going to be using this make market fabric marker to upgrade or fix the SI logos inside the car with the driver and passenger seat that has a SI logo. I'll show you how faded it looks right now. This is going to basically make it look as new as this driver floor mat red. That's awesome. And that's what we need so it to match. I'm going to try this because people say to use a Sharpie. I'm not a fan of using the Sharpie because this may fade or get into your clothes when you sit down and you're sweating or whatever it is. And I don't want to do that with this. I want to do it with an actual fabric marker. This is what should be the choice if you're going to do that. Doing it with the Sharpie is like kind of ghetto, and that's why I saw in the forums and in the YouTube videos everybody was doing. Use a fabric marker. That's what it's used for. Try to get that. You could go to Michael's or any like craft store, and they should have that there. That's the last thing we're gonna do today, and then the interior should be put back together. Actually, let me do one more thing here. Let's see all the things that the hybrid racing allows us to have here, or brought with the product. We have some hardware, which is looks like it's Allen wrench. Nice hardware. Comes with the actual quick shifter, uh, long extended shift, tubing, or I'm not sure what this is called, but this is gonna basically allow you to change the level of the shifter. You want it a high shifter, you want a short shifter. This is what's gonna help you with that. And I think it comes with a couple decals in here. Let's see. Yeah, it does. So it has a white decal or a black decal. Not sure which one I'm going to use, but we're definitely going to have one of these. Maybe right here. Looks nice. Not sure. Maybe in the back window, or maybe one of each on each side. Who knows? So we're going to get back to going into the interior and start installing these products and finishing with the interior upgrades. I'll see you back in the car. Woo! Back in the car. Aren't you tired of hearing that? Hopefully this is the last episode that we're going to be back in the car. But we're going to go straight into switching out this shifter. As you can see in the video, this shifter has a lot of play, and it also has a gap in between each shift. We want to eliminate that and make sure we have a quick shift and minimal play in the gears, moving left to right. That's something we want to switch over, and it's going to help us with the hybrid racing short shifter or quick shifter. This is definitely going to be a huge upgrade into this car. So let's get to it.